Express 2 plus I upon 4i plus within bracket 1 plus I whole square in the polar form or within bracket cos theta plus I sin theta. Now solving the question, first write the given expression and let given expression z is equal to 2 plus I by 4i plus whole square. See, to express this, that means r into cos theta plus I sin theta, we have to express this. This means this in the form of a plus ib. So first reduce this. So or z that is equal to 2 plus I 4i, expand this. This means 1 plus I whole square plus 1 plus 2i plus I square. Now simply writing equal to this. 2 plus I by 4i plus 2i 6i plus 1 minus I square is equal to minus 1. Writing here within third bracket as I square is equal to minus 1. So now 1 minus 1 will get cancelled, that is equal to 2 by 6i plus I by 6i. Break into two parts. Now I will get cancelled. 2 1 the 2, 2 3 by 6, that is equal to 1 by 3 I. Now rationalize this part, plus it is already rationalized. How to rationalize this? Multiply numerator and denominator by I. So 1 into I by 3 I into I plus 1 by 6. So that is equal to I by I square is equal to minus 1 here shown. So minus 3 plus 1 by 6. Now this is rearranged and written by 1 by 6 minus 1 by 3 I. Now to express in this form, in this means r cos theta plus I sin theta, we assume that let 1 by 6 is equal to r cos theta and minus 1/3 is equal to r sin theta. Now explaining here, we have to express in the form of I r into cos theta plus I sin theta. If we multiply r cos theta plus I r sin theta, if we compare this with this, r cos theta is equal to 1 by 6, r sin theta is equal to minus 1/3. From these two equations, this means this equation and this equation, we will find out r and theta. So how to do? From here we will find cos theta and from here we will find sin theta, because cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1. As we know the formula, sin square theta plus is equal to 1. So finding here cos theta, that is equal to 1 by 6r, sin theta is equal to minus 1 by 3r. Now use the formula sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. That means sin square theta is equal to square plus cos square theta is equal to 1 by 6r, that of square is equal to 1. Hence 1 by 9r square plus 1 by 36 r square, or r square is equal to 36 plus 9 by 9 into 36, that is equal to 36 plus 9, 45, 9 into 36, 9 on the 9, 5, that is equal to 5 by writing 6 square. So r is equal to root 5 by 6. Now you have to find out theta. Better to naming the equation. Naming now, this is 1 and this is 2. So what we do? 2 equation divided by 1 equation. What will be? First writing right hand side. Right hand side of 2 r sin theta, and right hand side of 1 r cos theta, that is equal to minus 1/3 1 by 6. Continuing this way, minus 1/3 into 6 by 1, 3 on the 1, 2, minus 2. Here r and r will get cancelled, so tan theta, that is equal to minus 2. Hence, or theta, that is equal to tan inverse minus 2. See, this was z. Now z is equal to, we will write after putting the values of 1 by 6 and minus 1/3. So writing z is equal to, now writing the given expression again, 1 by 6 minus 1/3 I, and put the values. Z is equal to 1 by 6 means r cos theta, taking out r common, minus 1 by 3 is equal to r sin theta, I, that is sin theta. or z is equal to, put the value of r is equal to what we have had, root 5 by 6 cos, what we have got, theta is equal to tan inverse minus 2 within bracket plus I, what is sin theta, theta is equal to hence finally we have expressed z is equal to in the form r and theta.